As I earlier mentioned in the previous example, we can solve equations regardless if it has a decimal or a fraction or a clean number. This one has a fraction. And there's something else in the problem that we have in the setup. Notice that one, there's fractions involved. That's all right, we'll work with it. I also have in the second side is where my variable is at. It doesn't matter if my variable is on the left side or the right side. But my goal is still the same, to get x by itself. So I notice I have a negative 2/3 attached to the x. So what do you want to add to that side so that it's only the x remains? That's right, a positive 2/3. And if I do it over here, I have to add it over there as well. So on the right side, x minus 2/3 plus 2/3 is just the x. Then on the right side, I have 2/3 minus 1/2. Well, this is a problem where I get to do some other things I've learned from before. How I add fractions. So 2/3 minus 1/2, well, in order to add them, they have to have a common denominator. And I think the common denominator is going to be a 6. So 2/3 is the same thing as 4/6. And negative 1/2 is the same thing as 3/6. So 4/6 take away 3/6 gives me 1/6. So the solution to this equation that had fractions is x equals 1/6. Now down the road we'll show you how to deal with fractions and give you some tricks and shortcuts, because I know a lot of you guys aren't real fond of fractions. And I understand that. I'm not real fond of fractions as well. But I understand that our world is filled with fractions. So I want to at least get or at least learn how to work with them a little bit.